My name is Markus. I'm the Chief Technology Officer of Maria Nila. I have been with the company for 12 years, and we've been a customer with Workato for 6 years. We were coming from a very distributed stack with no coherent framework for integrations, a lot of point-to-point, and the challenges were everywhere. So we started using Workato in 2019. And I think the first use case was integrating our Shopify web shop with the 3PL warehouse in the US, who by then were using an SFTP file-based system, which was absolutely horrible to integrate to Shopify. So we needed a middleware, and that's where Workato came in the picture. The scope of Workato is growing every day. I think today we have 800 active recipes and 60-something connections. We have deployed our first agent with Workato last week, actually, customer care. We are looking forward to deploying more agents across the platform. We're using a lot of AI tools, but nothing as coherent as Workato. The idea of adding agents is to both free up time for the team to focus on more sort of high qualified, specialized tasks, but also be able to scale. We're growing the business quite fast, so scaling the business without scaling the headcount as fast. That's the key. For me, this event today was all about meeting the Nordic Workato crowd, meeting the people who use it, the people who are considering using it, and understanding what use cases they're thinking about. I'm stressing the importance of having the local community of a software like Workato. And I think growing the community is key in growing both the usefulness and the sort of importance of the tool in the Nordic region.